Late one night, I was lying in bed, scrolling through my phone when I got a message from my mom. "Hey Emma, I'm working late tonight." And then I heard my mom voice.
"Emma, sweetie, come downstairs. I need you."
Confused, I replied. "I thought you were at work." My heart started to race when she replied, "I am. Why?" A chill ran down my spine, and suddenly I heard faint footsteps coming up the stairs. I froze, clutching my phone as the steps got closer and closer. I texted my mom again, but there was no reply. The footsteps stopped right outside my bedroom door. Then I heard a soft whisper.
"Let me in."